Standing by for T-Teb flash, and there we go. Engine ignition, and liftoff. Liftoff of Starlink 6-14. Go, Internet Satellites V2. Go. There we go, Falcon 9 continuing to fly in through a little bit of a cloud layer right there. So far, everything appears to be going well as we now approach max Q. That is when the maximum aerodynamic pressure will be pushing down on the vehicle. And you can see that right there by that extra plume coming out the back, also as it goes transonic. Going past the speed of sound here and picking up a lot of speed.
Those are some gorgeous shots of Falcon 9 in the lavender haze as it lifted off.
Everything appears to be going well so far as we get to one of my favorite parts here where the atmosphere thins out, and as a result, you can start to see each of the individual engines and see that plume spread. You can really almost count each engine. We are now about 30 seconds away from a few events in rapid succession, which Trevor was kind of mentioning a bit earlier. We will start with MECO. That's main engine cutoff, so the first stage will shut down, followed shortly thereafter by the two stages separating, and then stage 2 will fire up its Merlin vacuum engine, and that is SES-1, or second engine start 1, followed 30 seconds after that by fairing deployment. And there we go. There is MECO, and a reminder, our feed is a